Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek Kale and today's date is 16 October 2021, and today's video topic name is string constant pool and string literal pool. Okay, so I will explain string constant pool in details. Okay, so string constant pool, it is the concept of the string object. Okay, so what is string? String is an object, and it is the sequence of character values. Okay, so in Java we can create a string by using two ways. Okay, so by first one is by using literals, and the second way is by using the new keyword. Okay, so example of string creation by using the literal is string s1 is equal to in double quote hepshine. Okay, so and the string creation by using the new operator. Okay, which is second way. Okay, so the first one is the example is that string s1 is equal to new string in double quote in double in simple bracket in double quote hepshine. Okay, so in this way we can create the strings in the Java. Okay, and the java.util.string class, which is used to create the string in Java. Okay, string constant pool, which is we can also call it as a SCP. Okay, if we create a string by using the literal, then the object is created into the string constant pool. Okay, and if we create the string object by using the new keyword, then the object is created in the heap memory. Okay, so string constant pool, it is the part of the heap memory. Okay, so these are the two memories which are used to store the string objects. Okay, so in a string constant pool, in which if we create one string object which is Pune, and if the 10 peoples require the same object, then the string constant pool doesn't create 10 objects separately. It gives the reference object of that Pune string object to the 10 different requirements. Okay, so in this way the memory utilization will be improved, and the memory utilization will be improved, and the our time will be reduced. Okay, okay, and the string objects are immutable. This is because of the string constant pool. Okay, if one object is required multiple times, then string constant pool create only one times, and it passes the reference variable of that object to the 10 multiple requirements. Okay, so one of them requirement is changed, or user changed the objects, then the remaining all objects which are passed will be affected. So because of that string objects are immutable. String objects are immutable means non changeable. Once we create the string objects, then they cannot be changed. Okay, so the advantages of string constant pool is following. First one is the memory utilization will be improved. One object created once and used multiple times. Okay, so memory and the coding will be improved. Okay, so this is the advantages of the string constant pool. And if we create the string objects by using the new keyword, then it will store in the heap memory. Okay, so this is all. If the intern method about intern method creates if we create the string by using new keyword, and if we create the use the intern method, then it will create a string object which is similar to the new keyword new object which is object, and will store in the which will be stored in the literal string constant pool. Hence the we can match the two references by using the intern method. Okay, so this is all about the string constant pool. Thank you. And string literal pool. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.